The recent meeting between U.S. President Donald Trump and Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky in the Oval Office was expected to strengthen ties and finalize a mineral rights agreement. Instead, it devolved into a heated confrontation, casting shadows over international relations and the ongoing conflict in Eastern Europe.
What was anticipated as a diplomatic success quickly unraveled. President Trump, alongside Vice President J.D. Vance, confronted Zelensky with accusations of ingratitude and an unwillingness to negotiate peace with Russia. The exchange escalated, leading to the abrupt end of talks and the cancellation of the planned agreement.
The fallout was immediate. European leaders, including French President Emmanuel Macron and German Chancellor Olaf Scholz, rallied behind Zelensky, emphasizing unwavering support for Ukraine against Russian aggression. This incident has strained the transatlantic alliance, prompting Europe to reconsider its defense strategies and reduce reliance on U.S. support.
Moscow viewed the discord as a strategic advantage. Russian officials, including Dmitry Medvedev, expressed satisfaction over the strained U.S.-Ukraine relations, perceiving it as a weakening of Ukraine's position. This development aligns with Russia's broader strategy to exploit divisions within Western alliances.
Domestically, Zelensky's firm response to U.S. pressure has bolstered his support. Ukrainians view his stance as a defense of national sovereignty, reinforcing their resolve to seek security guarantees and maintain territorial integrity.
Europe is likely to intensify diplomatic initiatives, potentially proposing new peace plans and increasing military aid to Ukraine. The U.S. administration may reevaluate its stance, balancing domestic priorities with international responsibilities, especially in light of European reactions.
The EU may accelerate plans to bolster its defense capabilities, aiming for strategic autonomy in response to unpredictable U.S. policies. Emboldened by Western disunity, Russia might adopt a more aggressive posture, testing NATO's cohesion and Europe's preparedness. Ukraine will continue to seek robust alliances, possibly strengthening ties with non-U.S. NATO members and exploring new partnerships to ensure its security.
The Trump-Zelensky meeting has unveiled fractures in international alliances, prompting a reevaluation of geopolitical strategies. The coming months will be pivotal as nations navigate this complex landscape, balancing national interests with collective security imperatives.